Today I'm making delicious Greek chicken souvlaki. Greek and Mediterranean flavors are one of my favorite. I love lemony flavor, oregano and garlic. Flavors are not overpowering and the food itself is pretty light and never leaves me stuffed.
Hello everyone and welcome to Lounging with Lenny. My name is Lenny. In this video episode I'll show you how to make 3 plain and simple video recipes. It's gonna be Greek salad, tzatziki and Greek chicken skewers. So make sure to watch the video to the end and as always enjoy it. But before we start, if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. Thank you and enjoy this episode.
First, let's marinate chicken for chicken souvlaki. I got 3 chicken breasts, which is approximately 2 pounds. Cut each chicken breast in half lengthwise and then approximately into 1.5 inch pieces. And try to cut everything identical, so everything cooks evenly. Put the chicken into the bowl and zest 1 lemon over it. Cut quarter of the lemon and juice it. Greek-style chicken skewers are also called kebabs, souvlaki, and even gyro. It goes great together with pita, tzatziki, and of course Greek salad. Add 1 teaspoon of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dry thyme, 1 tablespoon of dry oregano, and press for garlic cloves with a garlic press. Add 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt. Season it with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Mix it. Oh, almost forgot. And pour 1/4 of a cup of olive oil and mix it well again. Cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and leave it to marinate in the fridge for 2 hours or overnight. Now let's prep the vegetables that will go for the skewers. Take 1 red onion, cut it in half and then into quarters so that the pieces will be nice and large. Transfer it into the bowl. Take 1 small zucchini, cut off the end and cut it into the discs, just like that. The thickness should be approximately 1/2 inch. This chicken souvlaki recipe is great not only to cook on a stove and in the oven, but will be outstanding to grill it outside. The marinade is very simple yet delicious and will be a home run, not only for everyday dinner, but great for the friends and family gathering. Get 1 red bell pepper, I will use only half of it. Get rid of the seeds, ribs and dice it large, so they fit into skewers. Add all the vegetables into the same bowl. Add 4 ounces of cherry tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of dry oregano, some olive oil, season it with salt and some black pepper. And mix it. Put it aside for now. 2 hours passed, chicken is perfectly marinated, and now let's arrange the skewers. There is no specific order how to assemble skewers for chicken souvlaki. The most important is that the cherry tomato goes on top. I'm adding red bell pepper first, then goes chicken, zucchini, another piece of chicken, red onion, chicken, and secure it with the cherry tomato. Today I'm serving my chicken souvlaki with Greek salad. Greek salad is a traditional salad of Greek cuisine. While it can seem like an ancient dish, the Greek salad as we know today is actually a relatively recent invention. Originated in 1960s in Plaka district of Athens, where restaurant owner added feta cheese to a basic vegetable salad to bypass price controls and attract tourists. My chicken skewers look just like that. I got a total of 14 chicken skewers. Put it aside for now. Now let's make tzatziki. I got very big English cucumber, so I will use only half of it. And of course all the vegetables are washed. Cut the cucumber in half and then lengthwise. Take a teaspoon and remove the seeds. This is very important step, because if you skip it, your tzatziki will be too watery and runny. Get a large box grater and grate the cucumber. After cucumber is grated, transfer it into the strainer over the bowl and squeeze it well to get rid of the liquid and put it aside for now, leaving it in the strainer. Tzatziki is creamy, refreshing, yogurt-based sauce, dip or dressing. It was originated in Greece and spread out across the globe. Take 1/4 of a bunch of dill and cut it fine. Transfer it into the bowl and put it aside. Now let's combine all the ingredients. Into the bowl add 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt and make sure that it's not sweet. Add cucumbers, Squeeze 1 large garlic clove with a garlic press. Get a strainer and squeeze quarter of a lemon juice. I use strainer so no seeds accidentally fall into my tzatziki. Add 1 teaspoon of red wine vinegar. Season it with salt and freshly ground white pepper. Couple tablespoons of olive oil and mix it, and my tzatziki is ready. Tzatziki is not only very tasty, but very rich with vitamins, minerals, probiotics. It is low in calories and carbs. I sound like a nutritionist right now. Now let's make Greek salad. Take 8 ounces of cherry tomatoes and slice them in half. Transfer it into the large bowl where you will make the salad. Get 1 red onion, cut it in half, then into quarter, and slice it. Make sure to transfer it into the separate bowl. Top it with cold water and add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Leave it like this for a couple minutes so that the onions will become sweeter. Drain the water and transfer onions into the bowl with tomatoes. Get 1 green bell pepper, get rid of the seeds and ribs, and slice it. Add it into the bowl with other vegetables. Take half of the English cucumber, I'm using the one that left from making tzatziki. Cut the ends off, cut it in half, and slice it just like that. Add it to the other vegetables. Add 5 ounces of Kalamata olives, make sure to drain it from the brine and put the vegetables aside. Now let's make Greek salad dressing. Into the bowl squeeze 1 garlic clove, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of dry oregano, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, season it with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Get a fork and mix everything, gradually adding about 5 tablespoons of olive oil until the mixture emulsifies. You will get the consistency like that. Put the dressing aside and add it once you're ready to serve the salad. Everything is ready, and now let's cook the chicken skewers. Preheat the pan to high heat, add some vegetable oil and place the skewers in. Sear it on a medium-high heat until golden brown in color on both sides. So what I'm doing, first I'm giving some color for my skewers and then I will finish cooking it in the oven. I personally love Greek food. Greek cuisine is a blend of simplicity, freshness, and rich flavors, influenced by ancient traditions and various civilizations. Signature ingredients of Greek cuisine include feta cheese, oregano, grilled meats, yogurt-based sauces, and a lot of vegetables. The interesting fact about kebabs is that according to the tradition, the dish was invented by soldiers who used their swords to grill meat over open field fires. After all the skewers are seared, transfer them into the sheet pan and finish cooking it in a preheated 375 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 9 to 10 minutes. 1 minute before finishing it, put couple peanuts on top of the skewers, just to warm it up. Meantime, let's finish up our Greek salad. Take 4 ounces of Greek feta cheese and cut it into medium cubes. The traditional name for Greek salad is horiataki, which means village salad in Greek. If I mispronounced it, please don't criticize me too hard. Add it into the bowl with other vegetables, drizzle it with Greek salad dressing, and mix it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell, press notify me to get notified about my new videos. My chicken skewers are ready, they look amazing, perfectly cooked and juicy inside. And now let's plate it. Take a large plate, add some Greek salad, grate some more feta cheese on top, transfer tzatziki sauce into the container and pour it on a plate. Add pita bread, I sliced one in half, and place 2 chicken skewers on top of the pita bread. Decorate it with some fresh parsley. And enjoy this beautiful dish. Greek chicken souvlaki with tzatziki and Greek salad.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment that you were waiting for. Taste test. Let's begin. Super easy to make and absolutely delicious. This is the recipe that I want you to try and make it. Enjoy.